So everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought this is a very spontaneous video. I don't even know if I'll upload it. It really depends on how it comes out, but I've come to my dad's house. I haven't been here in quite a while, and my bedroom's just a bit of a state, so I thought it would be quite interesting, maybe satisfying, I don't know, to watch me tidying it. I always like to watch these videos. I don't know if they're a bit old now, but we will see. But I'll give you an overview of the mess.
So on first inspection, this isn't too bad. I mean, I've got a highlighter there, obviously from me cramming my last A-level, but when you zoom in, there's all these like creatures. I don't even know where these have come from, because I had my window open last night because it was very hot. So I really need to wipe this down. This is disgusting. I need to make my bed, but that's pretty standard. My desk is not brilliant. I have some random clothes there that I need to find a home for. My revision that I have not done since whenever that last, I don't even know. Random stuff on here because I came over here quickly with my friend to make a card, and then we didn't tidy any of it up, so I've got a glass of water there and there from then, and yeah, not good. I've got packages, and then I've got my bag that I need to unpack with a lot of stuff that I'm taking to Florida, and just general just messiness. And then my bag from London when I went to London and met Ruby as well, and she needs unpacking. This whole bag full of stuff, and then everything fell out there. 2 blankets. I mean, for me it's quite messy. I just thought it'd be fun to tidy it up. But first of all, I'm just going to eat this, otherwise I will die.
Perfect.
I've decided I've got so much stuff in my bag, and a lot of it I literally don't need until holiday, so I'm actually just going to start packing my suitcase. We go on Sunday and it's currently Thursday, but I feel like you can never be too organised. Also, I just walked into the rest of the house and it's boiling. I haven't actually gone on my phone yet today, but I want to see how hot it is. But my bedroom, it feels like it's got air conditioning compared to the rest of the house, which is brilliant. I've got my window open, and it's just really cold in here usually, so I love it. I actually managed to sleep last night as well. It's currently 36 degrees in London. It's 34 degrees in my town. Oh my god, it's gonna get up to 36. I can't cope. Oh, I'm so grateful for my bedroom being cold all the time. This is the suitcase. I've never actually gone on a long haul flight before, so I've always just had like carry-on luggage. So this is my first hold luggage suitcase. I'm very excited, and it's massive because I took this to Greece and that was like good for a week, but I'm pretty much taking the exact same stuff, so I don't know how I'm gonna fill this up, but I'm very excited to have a fancy ass suitcase. My exam timetable. I don't know why I still have it up, but bye. I don't know if it's weird, but I always use makeup remover to clean surfaces, but it actually makes a big difference. Look at that, that's like without cleaning it, ew. And this is a clean one. It just works.
Perfect.
This looks so much better, but they're on this bit up here as well. Apparently they've come in because I have my window open, which is annoying. So I'm gonna have to get rid of those as well. Oh, this is so gross. Turns out there's tons of these creatures on my ceiling. I think they're called thrips. So they're not like dangerous or anything, they're just a bit gross. But I've put towels on my bed because that would not be fun. And hopefully I can just like get a brush and brush them into the towels and put the towels in the wash. Or like hang them on the line or something. This is so gross. I hadn't expected to have to deal with this today. So all the creatures are gone, thank fuck. Oh, I can see another one. Well, they're mostly gone. I've got them all off the ceiling and almost all off my windowsill. And I'm gonna have to keep the windows shut for the rest of the day, otherwise they're all gonna come in. It turns out today is also the hottest day ever recorded in the UK. So that's fun. They're not dangerous, but I just find insects so gross. So I would rather sweat and be hot than have to deal with creatures. But yeah, they're all gone and then went on my bed. This clean with me has become a lot more intense than I thought it would, but whatever. I think because we live really close to like a field and like we're on the edge of town and stuff, they all come from the field because it's hot and it's like less hot in here, especially in my room because my room's really cold. But now it's not because the window's shut. But yeah. It is so hot. Wow, I look so sweaty, but I've had a spot of lunch and now I basically just got stuff on my floor to clear up, so we've done most of it and my surfaces as well because I've only done my desk and my windowsill because of all those bugs. Not happy about them. But yeah, we've not got very much left and then I'm gonna just spend the rest of the day like editing, doing something productive, schedule some stuff to go up while I'm in Florida, and like I haven't uploaded in ages, so I need to actually do some uploading now. I'm just gonna finish my floor and then we should be done. This countertop now looks beautiful, and I've got to put all this back on top of it. But yeah, that's 1, 2, 3 out of the 4 done now. And the third surface is clean. And this is my bedroom, clean, bug-free. The floor is essentially empty except the bin and Max's water and my water. But it's all clean, all the surfaces are clean. Just close these so that it looks even tidier. And yes, I'm very happy with how clean it looks. I just need to hoover the floor now because the floor isn't brilliant.
I'm still so hot. Yes, I have officially cleaned my room, as you can see. So I think this is an appropriate time to end the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been somewhat satisfying, because I always find them really satisfying. I'm going to end the video now. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye!